Green pit viper is a common name for several venomous snakes and may refer to Trimeresurus albolabris, native to southeastern Asia from India to China and Indonesia. Its coloration is bright green above and yellowish green below, sometimes with purple bordering the scales. The snake is widespread from northern India eastward to Cambodia and south through Malaysia and Indonesia. It is mostly arboreal, or tree-living, and feeds mainly on birds and lizards. The blue Malayan coral snake is a beautiful, but highly venomous, front-fanged elipid. It inhabits primary and secondary forest in lowland and lower montane areas. In common with many other elipids in Southeast Asia, its primary food source is other snakes. It dwells amongst the leaf litter on the forest floor, but seems to emerge early to mid-morning, especially when nighttime rain has made the leaf litter wet. Typically this snake is encountered crossing forest trails. This soft-skinned boa has beautiful, iridescent skin. Tiny ridges on the scales act as prisms to refract light and create a rainbow-colored effect. Brazilian rainbow boas are brown or reddish-brown snakes with 3 parallel black stripes on the top of the head and large black rings down the back that give the appearance of dorsal blotches. The round lateral blotches are black with an orange or reddish crescent across the top. A small to medium-sized, multicolored snake with a pointed head. The back has wide orange or red incomplete bands, bordered by narrow black bands, over a white or light yellow ground color. Large individuals may have some black pigment in the red bands. The snout is usually red or orange. The belly is spotless and white or cream-colored. The king cobra's average size is 10 to 12 feet, but can reach 18 feet. The full-grown king cobra is yellow, green, brown, or black. There are usually yellowish or white crossbars or chevrons on its body. The belly may be uniform in color or ornamented with bars. Woma pythons are striking in appearance and highly skilled, nocturnal, ambush hunters. They are non-venomous, though they can be mistaken for the highly venomous western brown snake Pseudonaga nucleus, also known as the gwarder. They are efficient constrictors or squishers of prey. Should a prey item find itself in the woma's burrow, there may not be enough room for it to properly wrap around and constrict the animal, so instead, the snake squishes it against the burrow walls. Hence, many womas have telltale scars on them from battling prey at close proximity. The Texas rat snake is a medium to large snake, capable of attaining lengths of 4 to 5 feet. They vary greatly in color and patterning throughout their range, but they are typically yellow or tan, with brown to olive green, irregular blotching from head to tail. Texas rat snakes are not venomous. Rat snakes in Texas feed on rodents, birds, lizards, squirrels and frogs, which they subdue with constriction. The Texas rat snake is an agile climber and can reach a bird's nest with ease and can even climb up brick walls. The California red-sided garter snake is a subspecies of the common garter snake. This slender subspecies of Natrocene snake is indigenous to North America and is one of 3 recognized subspecies of Thamnophis sirtalis found in California. Most California red-sided garter snakes have a pattern of blue stripes on a black and red background. Their average total length is about 55 centimeters, with a maximum total length of about 100 centimeters. This yellow coloration usually occurs in large patches over the entire body compared to the randomly scattered yellow pigmentation in high yellow chondros. This form also has a longer, narrower head and a black tail tip. Hatchling Biak green tree pythons are typically larger than most other forms. Shield-tail snakes are small, typically growing to between 25 and 50 centimeters, 10 and 20 inches, in length, although some may grow to 90 centimeters, 35 inches. They are harmless, specialized snakes that have narrow, pointed heads with tiny eyes beneath head shields. They are tube-shaped snakes with purplish-brown to brown backs and bellies that are often either a light brown or yellowish color. The coast garter snake is a slender snake. It is variable in color and pattern. It usually has a yellow stripe along the back and white, yellow or reddish stripes along the lower part of the side. The underside is yellow to blue-gray with some reddish markings. Some snakes are all black between the stripes. The red milk snake, Lamprepeltis triangulum cispala, is a medium-sized snake that may reach a length close to 40 inches. The dorsal surface of the snake is characterized by black-bordered red saddles with alternating smaller blotches of the same color located laterally. Milk snakes have between 19 and 23 rows of scales, which are smooth. They have one anal plate. Eastern corn snakes are relatively slender and are between 60 and 180 centimeters in length. Juveniles are similar to adults in appearance. Hatchlings range in size from 22 to 36 centimeters. Corn snakes, sometimes called red rat snakes, are slender, orange or brownish yellow snakes with a pattern of large, red blotches outlined in black down their backs. Along their bellies are distinctive rows of alternating black and white marks, which resemble a checkerboard pattern. Pharansia erythrogramma, also known commonly as the rainbow snake, and less frequently as the eel moccasin, is a species of large, non-venomous, highly aquatic, colubrid snake, which is endemic to coastal plains of the southeastern United States. Coral snakes are small, vibrantly colored, highly venomous snakes. They have the second strongest venom of any snake. The black mamba has the most deadly venom, but they are generally considered less dangerous than rattlesnakes because coral snakes have a less effective poison delivery system. Regal ringneck snake Arizona, also known as Diatyphus punctatus and commonly known as ringneck snake. This snake is a harmless species of colubrid snake found throughout much of the United States, central Mexico, and southeastern Canada. These snakes are most secretive, so rarely found in daytime.